Today I'm at the Park Lane Mall at the Topical area. Let's explore. There are a couple of restaurants here and a mini food court, as well as a McDonald's at the bottom. So there are a total of 10 levels, but going to level 6 because there's new shops over there. There's a $1 promotion of the udon noodles. Okay, I see that most of the shops are closed, but it's been a long time since I returned here, so I decided to do a little video here to see if anything had changed. There's a massage shop over there in the corner. Now the whole area seems like a ghost town or ghost mall, but there are still shops here, especially the basement, the restaurants, and the massage shops. I believe the shops here close early. This is level 4. There's a laser acupuncture center right here. The first to use laser in painless acupuncture. Going on to the next lower level, I think I saw some karaoke. You guess what? This place reminds me of there's one place in Orchard. There's also like similar. They close very early. Just trying to recall the name, but I went there once before in Orchard Road. So there's no TCM store here. There seems to be some kind of cafe downstairs right here. Thai cuisine. Another massage shop. In the Vietnamese restaurant. They sell guitars here, by the way. Guitar gallery. There's even a money lender. There's a linking pathway to another paradise right here at level 2. I'm not sure what's in front. Let's just check it out. But the feeling is much cleaner and the air is fresher and it's newer. It's some kind of gym. Some nice massage chair right here. There's a live for cuts. Moving down to level 1. So this place is called Grid, G-R-I-D. It's very like youth, trendy kind of style concept. This I think the playground for the kids. There's some Subway restaurant. Look at the playground. The directory of Grid on level 1 from basement 1 on to the level 8. So the Grid actually linked with the Park Lane Mall over there, so it's 2 in 1. Outside there are some shops, iced tea, Luckin Coffee, Mixue ice cream, McDonald's. At the basement of Park Lane Mall there's McDonald's, a mini mart and a mobile shop, and some KTV. And there's a food court right here, a restaurant.